Gates.io startup mining has $560,000 up for grabs. Wait, so that is not even all. I'm going to be sharing 3 different ways where you can earn free cryptocurrencies on the Gates.io cryptocurrency exchange. First up, here are the project offering a reward pool of $560,000, and I'm going to be showing you how to participate in them during the course of this video. Second, the BTC all-time high celebration Newcomer exclusive picks. This event has a prize pool of $50,000 and it's exclusively for those who haven't already owned an account on Gates.io. If that is you, make sure you use the link in the description of this video to sign up to claim and share a prize pool of $50,000. Note, this event ends in 10 days, so you have to make sure you act fast. Here comes the third one, which is the last but not the least. So this one is known as Startup Free Airdrop event. I'm actually going to explain it in detail toward the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. Now let me show you how to participate in the first one. To get started, click the link in the description of this video and it will take you to the startup mining page on Gates.io, or you just simply log on to your application. Before we dive right in, let me break down what Gates.io startup mining is. Gates.io startup mining is a platform where users can stake their cryptocurrency assets or provide liquidity to earn rewards in new crypto projects by locking specific tokens in the startup mining pool. Users can receive corresponding crypto project tokens rewards. To get started, log on to your Gates.io application. Ensure you have completed your KYC verification. Once you are done with that, make sure you buy some of the cryptocurrency tokens that you want to participate in the startup mining. For example, you can go get some ACR tokens. After you've been able to buy this token, the next thing you want to do is to click on hold trade, click on earn. Under startup mining, scroll down to where we have ACR, click on stake now, input the amount you want to stake. If you want to stake everything, you can just click on max, click on confirm, and you've been able to stake ACR. To check your mining reward, simply click on the desired project and click on the button at the top right corner. This is where you are going to be seeing your reward. Your staking reward will be distributed to your spot account when the staking ends. You can always redeem your stake assets at any time. If you redeem them early, your asset is going to be transferred to Simple Funds by default. But if you want your assets to be sent to your spot account, all you have to do is to click on redeem, then you uncheck this button and you input the amount of tokens you want to redeem and you click on confirm, and you've been able to successfully redeem these assets to your spot account. Kindly know that if you redeem your assets before the expiration date of staking, you are actually going to end up with almost no reward. Now here comes another opportunity to share a prize pool of $50,000, but this is exclusively for newcomers on the Gates.io cryptocurrency exchange. So if you don't have an account on Gates.io, this very one is for you. All you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video to sign up, and you are going to stand a chance to share a prize pool of $50,000 when you use my referral link, right? So this is to celebrate the Bitcoin new all-time high. BTC just crossed $100,000 today, and Gates.io wants to reward their new users with a prize pool of $50,000. All you have to do is to make sure you use my link to create an account. And once you are done with that, here are the criteria for eligibility, right? So new users who deposit or complete a total trading volume of no less than $50 during this event will receive a reward of $5 to $10 random tokens from startup project airdrops. Now the second criteria is new users who reach a total trading volume of $2,000 during this event will receive an additional random future voucher worth $20 to $50. You don't want to miss this opportunity to make some free cash on the Gates.io cryptocurrency exchange. So now let us talk about the third and the last but not the least opportunity of earning some free coins on the Gates cryptocurrency exchange. So this one is known as Gates.io Startup Airdrop Whitelist Giveaway. All you have to do is to claim your share of 100,000 startup stars. So now a total value of startup stars accumulated Airdrop surpassed 120 million, and we are now launching the Airdrop whitelist giveaway for our community. So in order to read all this, there's a link in the description. So this is actually the event reward. Activity 1: during this event, 50 users who participate in the startup mining for the first time will be randomly selected. Each selected user will win 1000 startup stars, which can be redeemed for 100 shares of VIP free Airdrop tokens. Like I said earlier, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video where you are going to find more details. And the good part is, if you haven't participated in startup Airdrop before, this is an opportunity for you to participate in startup mining and earn some amazing rewards. If you have any question about all these opportunities, do well to drop them in the comments below, and I'm going to be there chatting with you guys. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on post notification so you don't miss out on amazing opportunities like this one. If you check the description of this video, you are going to find a link that will take you to our Telegram channel, where you are going to be gaining access to lots of opportunities that revolves around the cryptocurrency ecosystem, such as trading tips, free tutorials, crypto trading signals, promising airdrops, crypto job opportunities, and lots more. Thank you for watching. My name is Emmanuel Jacob. I'm a tech and crypto content creator. I'd like to know your name in the comments below if you have watched up to this point. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.